Привіт-привіт! My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson we're going to learn with you together seasons in Ukrainian language Пори, року. Пори, року. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. Please like this video and it will motivate me to make more and more video lessons for you. So, поїхали. Let's get it started. So, how to say winter, spring, summer, autumn in Ukrainian language? It's very easy. So, let's learn together. And first of all, we will start with the word winter. So, how to say in Ukrainian language winter? So, this word is translated as зима. Зима. Pay attention that we put stress on the last syllable, on a, and we say зима. 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 The next one, spring. Spring in Ukrainian language is весна. Весна. Again, we put stress on the last syllable. Весна. Please repeat after me. Весна. Okay, and how to say summer in Ukrainian language? Summer, літо. 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 The stress is on the first syllable. Літо. Літо. And the last word is autumn or fall, is осінь. Осінь. We put the stress again on the first syllable. Осінь. Repeat after me. Осінь. One more time. Зима. Весна. Літо. Осінь. Зима, весна, літо, осінь. And how to say in winter, in spring, in summer, in autumn? Also, it's very easy and you just have to learn one word. So, for example, in winter, in Ukrainian language, you can say взимку. Взимку. Let's follow the stress correctly. Взимку. Or you can say зимою. Зимою. Yes, there are two versions how to say in winter in Ukrainian language. And pay attention that there is only one word and we don't use a preposition. But basically, let's analyze the word. Взимку. Взимку. It's the word, the preposition, we have here the preposition в. The preposition в. Plus the word зима. 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 В, it means in. Зима, it means winter. So we connected this like preposition and noun and we created the word взимку. Взимку, that means in winter. Or we have the word зимою. And зимою, this is a word зима in the instrumental case. Just let me write here instrumental case. So those guys who know the cases, they already know how this form was created. Instrumental case. The same about in spring. In spring is навесні. Again, here we have the preposition на. Na, it means on or at. And plus весна, plus the word весна. Весна. And навесні, one word, means in spring. Or you can also say весною, весною. The same as here, this ending OU show us that this is the instrumental case. Instrumental case. In summer, you can say влітку. Влітку, the same, we have here a preposition в plus the word літо. Влітку means in summer. Or you can say літо. Літом. In summer. And this is the instrumental case again. Okay, and the last one in autumn or in fall. So, восени, one word, and you can see here also the preposition в, that we add to the word осінь, we connected it, and we have one word восени. Восени, that means in autumn. Or осінню. 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 This is also instrumental case. By the way, pay attention, we have here two Ukrainian consonant N. Осінню. Осінню. Please repeat after me because phonetics is very important. Осінню. 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 Fast and slow. Осінню. Осінню. Let's read one more time and let's follow the stress. Взимку or зимою. Навесні or весною. Влітку or літом. Восени or осінню. You can ask me, Ina, okay, there are two versions how to say in winter, in spring, etc. But which one is more correct? Which one should I use? How Ukrainians usually say? I want to say that Ukrainians usually say, and it is more common for Ukrainian language, is to say взимку, навесні, влітку, восени, the first variant. The second one is also correct. In Ukrainian language you can use, but it sounds more as in Russian language, and we don't want to have anything common with the Russian language, the same as with the Russian. So you know. So we tend to use the words, the expressions, the variations that are more common with the Ukrainian language that came originally from the Ukrainian language. Okay, and the last question that we're going to practice today, how to say what season is it now? What season is it now? So in Ukrainian language this question sounds as яка зараз пора року? Let's follow the stress. Яка зараз пора року? And I reply. Зима? Так, in Ukraine right now it is winter. Зима. Зима. Also, I would like to analyze a little bit the grammar construction of the question. Яка зараз пора року? So, first of all, пори року, these two words mean seasons in Ukrainian language. And we have here the plural form, plural, пори, пори, seasons. But the nominative case, because when you need to use some expression in the question and when you need to know the original gender of the word, you have to use it in the singular form. So the word pora, it actually this word means season. Roku, it means year. So the word рік, it means year. So literally it sounds season of the year, but here is plural, seasons of the year. So пора року, it means season of the year, and пори року, it means seasons of the year. You can ask me, Ina, why do I have here roku and not рік? Because this is the genitive case, that's the rule, guys. You need to learn the cases if you want to understand how the whole Ukrainian language works, how to speak it correctly. You need to know the cases. That's very important. That's why I wrote my textbook, Master Ukrainian Cases. That's the key if you want to be fluent in Ukrainian language. So, пори року. So, the word pora, this is the main word in this combination of the words. And what is the gender of this word? Yes, this is the feminine gender word because it ends in a, pora. So, that's why we used here the form яка. You can see agreement, everything is correct, feminine gender. In the question word, what? Яка, what, зараз, it means now. Пора року, season of the year. Яка зараз пора року, everything is in agreement, everything is correct. And I replied here zima. So you can say зараз зима. Right now is winter in Ukraine. So guys, I hope this video lesson was very useful for you. If it was really useful, then please like this video, leave your comments, share it on your social media. I will be so happy to get a feedback from you. And also I would like to invite you to subscribe to my Instagram account Speak Ukrainian Language, because there you will find lots of useful video lessons, quizzes and stories. Please check it out. And also I would like to invite you to visit my website speaku.com. This is my online Ukrainian language school, and there you will find lots of learning materials for learning beautiful Ukrainian language. So побачимось скоро. See you soon. Love you from Ukraine, and bye-bye.